2024 Nissan GT-R costs $122,885, over more than the 2009 model. Nissan released pricing for the facelifted 2024 GT-R, with the premium model starting at $122,885. The T-Spec model returns at $142,885, while the top-of-the-line Nismo will extract $222,885. The 2024 Nissan GT-R is still largely the same as the original 2009 model, which cost just $70,850, equivalent to $101,825 when adjusted for inflation. The Nissan GT-R, which disrupted the performance car scene when it debuted for 2009 with its combination of ballistic performance and an attainable price tag, soldiers on for the 2024 model year with a light facelift. The revised front and rear styling brings a price increase of nearly $5,000. The GT-R will start at $122,885 for the base premium trim, with sales of the 2024 model line kicking off this spring. The T-Spec trim is back for 2024, bridging the gap between the entry-level GT-R and the top-dog Nismo Track version. The T-Spec is offered in two classic GT-R colors, Millennium Jade and Midnight Purple 3, and comes with the Nismo's carbon ceramic brakes and wider front fenders. The T-Spec also wears gold wheels and starts at $142,885, about $2,000 higher than the 2021 model. The pinnacle of the GT-R lineup is the Nismo, a ruthless track beast that ups power from 565 to an even 600 horsepower. For 2024, there's a new front limited slip differential, a swan neck rear wing, and a redesigned front splitter and diffuser to increase downforce. A new appearance package adds forged 20-inch wheels with red accents, a carbon fiber hood, and a unique engine cover. The Nismo starts at a whopping $222,885, $5,250 more than 2023, and will reach dealerships this summer. Both the T-Spec and Nismo are being produced in limited quantities. Although Nissan has given the GT-R periodic updates over its 15-year run, the 2024 model is still largely the same as the original 2009 version. Yet the price has skyrocketed. In 2008, a new GT-R had a base MSRP of $70,850, with the fancier premium trim opening at $72,900. Even accounting for inflation, the 2024 model is significantly more expensive, with the 2009 version costing $101,825 in today's dollars, nearly $20,000 less than the starting price for the 2024 GT-R. While it looks unlikely the world will see an all-new generation of the performance car known as Godzilla, at least one that's not fully electric, it's better to have one that gets more